We live in Long Beach and love all the diversity and culture the city has to offer. Recently, the New York Post ranked Long Beach number 4 on its list, the best places to live in the U.S. There are many colorful parades and festivals. Great local restaurants, neighborhood coffee shops, and unique stores. An extensive bike path system that goes along the beach and throughout the city. Also, we get out to enjoy nature at all the parks and beaches. And we like to find community activities in the Long Beach and LA area that are inexpensive or free.
Come along as we explore the city. This is our urban adventure.
In this episode, we first feature the beautiful Nature Center. Next, we view a fascinating exhibit at Made by Millworks Boutique and Art Space. Last segment is Everything Chocolate, from a chocolate festival to the artisans who make delicious creations.
Oh my God.
This segment, we explore the El Dorado Nature Center.
Tucked away at the edge of El Dorado Park is 102 acres of green wilderness.
Oh, there it is.
The turtle.
My name is Megan O'Neill. I'm actually the Community Services Supervisor here for El Dorado Regional Park and Nature Center. Just to give you guys a little background on our center, it opened to the public in 1969. And it was really a project that was started by the love of the community, wanting to have an open space that they could come and commune with nature. And now it really has become one of the biggest gems in Long Beach. Being as urban as we are, we have this little place where people can come and get away from the city. When it first opened, there were no plants here. It was farmland. So everything that you see here, including the lakes, all of the trees were created by man. Now our hours are Tuesday through Sunday. Our trails open at 8 o'clock and they close at 5. Our facility, our building, our visitor center is open at 8:30 and it closes at 4. And after last year, we are getting probably 275,000 visitors a year.
That's quite a lot.
It's a catch-22 because we are so happy that so many people have found this place, and
Yes.
we meet people who have lived in Long Beach their entire life
Yes.
and said, I just found this place yesterday, or I just found this place last week. And that's just it, is we're so glad that people
Yeah.
find this place, but there's also like, okay, how do you keep this place a secret hidden gem, but still wanting people to come. And so there's that balance, and that's why we definitely, want people to respect the area when they're here. It's definitely a unique place from the other parks that we have.